There are a number of possible ways to join tubes and accessories in plumbing installations, including threaded joints, soldering, welding, and inseparable joints using press fittings. The Isotubi-USA system consists of a range of accessories and a press fitting tool. The fact that this system makes installation quick, easy, safe, and reliable in almost any application should be enough to entice anyone. But these are just several features that make Isotubi-USA Press beneficial. And that is exactly what we are going to cover in this video. Isotubi-USA Press features and benefits. The main advantages of the Isotubi-USA Press system. Installation is quick and safe. Job times and safety risks are at a minimum. Less labor is needed. Time, training, and overhead are greatly reduced. Isotubi-USA Press is easy to handle. The tube, accessories, and press fitting tool are all that is required on the job site. No anti-fire measures are needed. There is no need to attain an open flame permit. Stainless steel is a fantastic alloy, which is resistant to corrosion through its ability to remain passive in a large number of atmospheres. In its passive state, stainless steel has a very fine, invisible, stable, protective layer. Stainless steel ASTM AISI 316-316L characteristics include hygienic, as demonstrated in many food and pharmaceutical industry applications. Minimum load loss, resulting in faster fluid flows. Excellent decorative finish, avoiding the need for additional painting or external protection costs. The use of molybdenum results in good performance in chlorinated environments. Good resistance to oxidation up to temperatures of 900 degrees Celsius or 1,652 degrees Fahrenheit. Excellent mechanical and deformation resistance at high temperatures. Less heat conduction than other materials. Stainless steel is a poor conductor of heat, which means it can be used for transporting fluid with lower heat losses. The linear elongation tells us that elongation and thermal movement should be taken into consideration in installations that are subject to hot-cold cycles. For more information, you can always consult the Isotubi-USA Press System Installation and Technical Information Manual, or contact us at our website. The link will be provided in this video's description. All features and benefits considered, use Isotubi-USA Press on your next project. Please subscribe to the Isotubi-USA YouTube page, like this video, and feel free to leave a comment or suggestion below.